Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can add and edit voiceover on your video using InShot application. Alright guys, here I have created a project in InShot application, and the first thing we have to do if we want to add the voiceover is clicking on the music option right here, and you're going to click on record. Just click on this record button, and then you can start recording your voice right here. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video I'll be showing you how to trip to solo. Alright guys, and now the voiceover has been recorded, and this is the voiceover. And if you want to edit your voiceover, you can simply tap on the voiceover until this option appear on your screen. Then you are going to click on the edit button right here. You can increase the volume. You can also put fade in or fade out effect. And if you want to put voice effect to your voiceover, you can scroll all the way to the right until you find the voice effect, and you can select the voice effect that you like. And for example, I'm going to select this one. Okay. And after you are done selecting the voice effect, you can click on this checkmark button. After we're done, we just need to click on the checkmark button again. Then now let's just take a look at the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can add and edit voiceover in InShot. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.